Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change from premium to basic on H&R Block. If your tax situation is simple and you no longer need the advanced features included in the premium plan, switching to the basic version can help you save money while still allowing you to file your taxes easily. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, go to the H&R Block website and log into your account using your email and password. If you're new to H&R Block and don't have an account yet, you can simply click Create an Account, enter your email, set a password, and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're logged in, review your current plan. Many people initially choose the premium version because it includes extra features for things like investments, rental property income, and more complex tax situations. But if your taxes are straightforward and you don't need those extra tools, switching to the basic version can be a better and more affordable option. To change your plan, you'll need to contact H&R Block support. The easiest way to do this is by using the Chat with an Agent option inside your account. Simply open the chat, tell the support agent that you want to downgrade from premium to basic, and they'll guide you through the process. When speaking with the support agent, be ready to verify your account details. They may ask for information such as your H&R Block account ID, your email address, or your phone number to confirm your identity before making any changes. Another option is to go to the support section in your account. From there, you can find customer service contact numbers and reach out to their support team to request the downgrade. One important thing to remember is that when switching to a lower-tier product like the basic version, some of your existing data may not transfer automatically, which means you might need to start your tax return again in the new plan. So it's a good idea to confirm this with the support agent. And that's it. That's how to change from premium to basic on H&R Block. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.